Hello, BPSC aspirants. I am here for your practice of daily MCQs. It is a mixed type of MCQs, and its title is Daily BPSC Current Affairs. So it is. I have a bunch of 11 questions, and I have to see how many questions are cracked by you. So first you answer yourself, then see the answer given by me. So first question is, which Indian state recently launched the Green Urban Mission to increase urban green cover? A. Bihar, B. Maharashtra, C. Punjab, D. Kerala. Answer is think. Answer is Punjab. Punjab announced the mission to combat urban heat and improve air quality with city greening targets. Question number 2. The International Court of Justice is located in which city? A. Geneva, B. Hague, C. New York, D. London. Think, answer, think. Answer is B. The Hague. The International Court of Justice, ICJ. UN's main judicial body sits in The Hague, Netherlands. Question number 3. Which chemical element has the atomic number 26? A. Iron, B. Copper, C. Zinc, D. Nickel. Think. Answer is iron. Iron, Fe, is atomic number 26 and essential in many industries and biology. Question number 4. Who won the latest National Sports Award for Lifetime Achievement? A. Athlete, B. Coach, C. Player, D. Administrator. This you have to answer. So you search and answer. Question number 5. The G20 summit theme in recent years focused primarily on A. Sustainable growth, B. Digital economy, C. Global health, D. Inclusive development. Think and answer. It is inclusive development. Option D. Themes change annually, so theme has not been mentioned exactly. Question number 6. The Reserve Bank of India recently introduced which policy change to control inflation? A. Repo rate hike, B. Cash reserve reduction, C. New digital rupee, D. Negative interest. Think what is the answer? A. Repo rate hike. The RBI commonly uses repo rate adjustments to tame inflation. Question number 7. Which river project got cleared for interstate sharing by the Central Authority? A. Ken Betwa, B. Satluj Yamuna, C. Narmada, D. Godavari. Answer is A. Ken Betwa. Ken Betwa is a flagship overlinking project often in news. Question number 8. Which country hosted the recent climate summit mentioned in current affairs? A. Egypt, B. UK, C. UAE, D. Canada. Answer is I would say you have to answer. Question number 9. Phased manufacturing program is associated with which sector? A. Automotive, B. Electronics, C. Textiles, and D. Agriculture. Answer is B. Electronics. PMP aims to boost domestic electronics and manufacturing and reduce imports. Now, question number 10. The term carbon budget refers to A. Government spending for climate, B. Allowable emission over time, C. Carbon trading price, D. Tax on fossil fuel. Answer is B. Allowable emission over time. It is the maximum CO2 that can be emitted to keep warming within limits. Question number 11. Which technology is central to the recent push for precision agriculture? A. Blockchain, B. Satellite imagery and IoT, C. Nuclear imaging, D. 3D printing. Answer is satellite imagery and IoT. Remote sensing plus sensors enable data-driven farming decisions. Next question, who is eligible for the state-sponsored student loan scheme recently expanded? Only postgraduate students, all meritorious undergraduates, students from disadvantaged background, D. International students. Answer C. Students from disadvantaged backgrounds. Many schemes focus on socio-economic inclusion. Always quote scheme name and criteria while mentioning the answer. So, what is your score? I have given you 2 questions to answer yourself, and rest of 10 has been answered by you or not. Now, next question is, which Indian state launched a new public transport policy in 2025? Here are no options. Direct answer. Answer is Bihar. The policy focuses on integrated urban transport and electric buses, promoting sustainable mobility. Because it will generate employment, employment and infrastructure. Funding will be created with this. Next question, IMF revised India's growth forecast in 2025 to what figure? Answer is 6.8%. Revision driven by consumption and investment uptake, implications for fiscal targets and bond markets. Next and the last, what is the key feature of the new environmental regulation affecting industry emissions? Is sector-specific carbon caps with tradable credits. This introduces market mechanism for emission reduction, important for economy and policy sections. That's all for today. Thank you.